Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we're gonna take linking letters. Alhamdulillah, we finished letters, so we're gonna take, inshallah, linking. For example, dal, ta, ba. I'm not going to write it like that. I'm gonna write it like that. So I linked letters. For another example, mim, lam, wow. I'm not going to write it like that. I'm gonna write it like that. Mim, lam, wow. So in words, we don't write letters separately like that or individually like that. We write it different. For example, inshallah, it's too easy. Someone will say it's hard. I'm gonna tell him no, it's too easy. We have just 3 rules. If you got them, it will be too easy, inshallah. So first, we're asking Allah to make it easy. First rule is we have each letter, you can link it from right and left. Each letter except 6 letters. Dal, dal, ra, zay, waw, alif. These 6 letters I cannot link them from left. I just can link them from right, left, no. But each letter I can link it from right and left. For example, here is dal, here is ta, and here is ba. So I'm gonna ask first letter. Can I link it from the right? We'll say yeah. Can I link it from left? You say no, because it's dal. Ta, can I link it from right? We'll say yeah, because it's not from this book. It will say no. Can I link ta from right? It will say yeah. Can I link ta from left? It will say yeah. And also ba from right, it will say yeah. From ta from left, it will say yeah. So how can I link them? I'm gonna link them like that. Dal, then ta, then ba. So we're gonna explain this, inshallah, after some minutes, inshallah. But first, we should know that dal, alif, dal, ra, zay, waw, I can link them from right, but I cannot link them from left. So this is the first rule. Second rule is cut body, leave head. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, if you have any letter, cut the body and leave the head to link it. For example, seen. I'm gonna cut the body. Body is what? Like this. And leave the head. Head like that. And body like that. So I need just this part. Lamb, for example, lamb. I need just this part. This part, I don't need it, okay? For example, sod, I don't need this part. I just need this part. And dad, the same thing, like that. Ta, the same thing. Ta like that, and dad like that. I'm not going to do anything on these letters. So we're gonna take letter by letter, inshallah, to see how to link it. So I don't use this. It's like at the beginning alone, at the end, in the middle. I don't love this. Our rules, if you do it, you're gonna solve and you're gonna link the words. For example, the first rule that we said it about linking, is the 6 letters. Second rule is cut the bottom and eat the head. Last rule, each letter at the end, write it fully. Don't cut anything on this letter. Let's see an example. And you should know something. If you want to link, you should make line like that. For example, sod like that. If I cut this, and it will be like that. So I should make a line. If I want to link it from right, from left, I'm gonna make line. If I want to make it from right, to link it from right, I'm gonna make line. Line this, link in line. If I want to link something to other things, I'm gonna put line to link this to this. Okay? For example, if I have, for example, a word, sod, mim, dal. I have 3 letters, and question is link it. For example, sod, I'm gonna cut the body. This thing, I don't need it. Mim, I gonna cut this. I don't need it. Dal, it's fully. Dal, ra, zay, wow. I'm not going to do anything to these letters. Okay? So sod, I need this. Mim, I need this. Dal, I need this. And I told you should do link in line like that. And like that. So I'm gonna ask also sod, can I link it from right? We'll say yeah. Can I link you from the left? We'll see yeah. Meme. Can I link you from the right? We'll see yeah. Can I link you from the left? We'll see yeah. Dal. Can I link you from the right? We'll see yeah. Can I link you from the left? We'll see no. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna write sod, and also line, linking line. I'm gonna write meme. Meme, you should know, meme in the bottom, not on the top, like that. I'm gonna write the circle on the bottom, like that. I'm gonna write linking line, like that. I'm gonna write the third rule, say each letter at the end, write it fully like that. So this is the word, alhamdulillah, we linked it. So, ma, da. That's right. Inshallah, next class we have a lot of examples to do it, inshallah. So first of all, alif, dal, dha, ra, zay. Well, right is like we can link it from right, but we cannot link it from left. Each letters, except these letters, we can link it from right and left. Second thing, cut the body, leave the head. Third rule, last letter, write it fully. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.